did turn out so very well. She doesn't interfere. But she's had 4 kids and she works full time, always has, and she's tired. You know, she's got a boyfriend and they go here and there, but they don't come here.
Daddy?
Sally's yard really looks pretty.
Daddy?
I was at that meeting last night.
Daddy?
I went
up there. Huh?
Yeah, after you give Sally.
Daddy?
There were what? Lowen, Annie, a gal named Diane who was down in Pond
Daddy?
Place. 3, there's I'm singing. I find that hard to believe. Very hard to believe. If you can carry down a full-time job, there's no reason why you can't walk for 5 minutes.
Who's really sick? Monique, you mean? Is that what you said? Who's
Monique,
really
they said, was really sick, and probably Barbara's really sick.
Oh, Barbara.
She has mono. If you can't work and be that sick, not that sick.
She has mono?
And she never going to talk to Susan. She said she thought that if she asked her, she'd probably do it. And I think maybe Nana probably would. Although I think Susan would find it a big imposition to have to be back. I don't know why she owns that place. If I were she'd sell it.
Your house?
No. Hers. She's never there.
Oh, she's got to live somewhere, though. I mean, you know what these houses are. Seems to have a boyfriend now. So that's why she's never had one of these years. I thought she lived the life of a real spinster type. Now she's turning around.
Where's Tracy?
Down there. I think it's interesting. You're looking at a different toy and I don't hear any skirmishes. Big enough. So what I'm going to do is 1 1/2 the recipe. Because I don't think I'd have enough. I bought 3 pints of strawberries. I don't think that's enough. But the eaters, Tom can, when he wants to, he just puts it away.
Whipped cream is very filling. Whipped cream's filling.